advice to people.
Yeah.
I hope I answered your question.
No, you definitely did.
Okay.
Vybz Kartel.
Talk about
What's
it.
the relationship with you and Vybz Kartel right
Well,
now?
Vybz Kartel, big superstar, former client that I freed from murder.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a brethren. And he is a businessman whom I respect and rate. People will soon understand why it was important that Vybz Kartel never clown out himself like Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? In fact, I can go as far as saying, if we check history, Donald Trump showed the entire world that when it comes to the political process, we don't care if you're Beyonce, Jennifer Lopez, Taylor Swift. You can bring out Madonna. You can dig up Tupac. You can all throw Bob Marley in the mix. Yeah? It no matter. The people have real issues that you have to deal with. And so the man tore from Freedom Street till now and tour not done.
Yeah.
He's about his money. So you'll have those who are upset and he's in the world where people are criticizing whether his shows are good, but he's getting paid. A political introduction into politics.
Yeah. So what gave you the confidence now for say you go up against Anne-Marie Vaz?
Anne-Marie Vaz.
Yeah.
Confidence and Anne-Marie Vaz.
Yeah. Action Anne.
No, man. The question, I've been on this show before.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can't ask what gave me the confidence. It is always when I'm in the arena, you should ask the people, are you sure you want to compete?
Mm.
And so there was never a doubt in my mind that when I